This is Jason Kilmer introducing the new Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pro line. Now that we've removed the scratches, swirls, and blemishes in the paint and laid a layer of protection down with the Max Wax, we want to maintain that with the Flex Wax. Now for good maintenance products, Flex Wax is the way to go. Now you can apply it many different ways, wet or dry. You can use a microfiber towel, or my method is an applicator pad. I'm choosing to use the applicator pad in this application for ease of use and controllability of my product. Just light motions, overlapping passes, make sure we have full coverage. And you want it to set up and haze up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll go and do an initial wipe. What I like to do is use a damp towel and then use a dry towel to get all the residuals off. The great thing about both the Max Wax and the Flex Wax is you can use them to your existing coated car. If you want to maintain it, add a fresh layer of protection on there, you can use the Max Wax, which I personally like to use. And then I use the Flex Wax as a wet application.